Today I'm going to show you how to make this raised garden planter. With spring finally here, this DIY has got to be at the top of your to-do list. If you like working with your hands and you enjoy saving some cash, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I'm using repurposed 2x6 cedar for my planter box. Cut one end at 45 degrees, flip it over, measure 36 inches, and make your next 45-degree cut. Repeat this 6 times. Then do the same thing with a 14-inch piece. I definitely recommend setting up a stop so your pieces are all the exact same length. Turn your saw back to 90 degrees and cut 4 pieces of 1x2 strapping for the floor of your planter. 2 slightly shorter than the inside length of your box and 2 just shorter than the width of your planter box. Then using 1x3 or whatever scraps you have, cut planks for the bottom. They should be the width of the inside of your planter box, which mine is 11 inches. Cut as many pieces as you'll need to line the bottom of the box with small gaps in between for drainage. These are all the cuts for your box. I've got all of the wood cut for my box. Now it is time to assemble it. I'm going to be using wood glue, pocket screws, and air nails. I made sure to mark where I wanted my pocket holes to go so I don't end up drilling more holes than I need in places that I don't want them. Then I stacked the boards and assembled them with pocket screws. I added my strapping on each piece 10 inches down from the top. Then repeat this with all 4 sides. Once all my sides were put together, I assembled the box using PL Premium or wood glue and air nails. And we have a box. I laid my planks in the bottom and then set the box aside. Next up is the stand. Leaving my saw at 90 degrees, I cut all of my pieces for my stand. These are all the cuts for your stand. Now that I've got the box done and the wood cut for the legs, I'm going to start assembling my stand, which I'm going to use pocket screws to assemble. Once again, I marked where I wanted my pocket holes to go before doing any drilling, and then I used my pocket hole jig to make my holes. I assembled each side and then attached them together. I used wood glue with my pocket screws to add strength. One quick note for assembling your stand is to make sure that all of the pocket holes are hidden. So these ones are on the bottom and then these ones are on the inside, so you won't see them once it is assembled. I gave everything a quick sand using 120 grit paper on my orbital sander. I put a coat of sealer on my Cedar and painted my stand white. You could also paint the 2x2 stand black for a faux steel look.